Take us wanted to give you a quick overview of how to navigate around build on software. Uh, so you click on these 9 dots. You can go into any section. Security is where you can set up the users. Uh, Setup is where you can see the whole setup overview. And then as soon as you log in, you land onto this page. And from this page, you just go into your estimating side. On the estimating side, it is very easy to create an estimate. You can create a name. If you are using our opportunity management or CRM, you can pin the opportunity. You can assign it to an estimator. You can assign it to a reviewer. You can type in a customer name, a code number, a bid date, when do you need it to send it to by, and the statuses, which I just updated it based on our discussion. And then you can give a brief description on it. And then you can go into, on this side, you can see all the statuses. It's submitted to AI for estimate, then it goes into a stage review. That means it's ready for you to review it. Um, you can open up any one of them over there. View calculator is where you will land on a calculator page, and view plans is where you will land on a plans page. Click on view plans. On the plans section over here, you can click on an activity side. You can see there may be a lot of plans over there, but the activity has happened only on these pages. So you can click on any page and you can review that page, what activity has happened on it. Here we have mentioned a note as well for you. You can double click on it and it will open up that interior drawings and elevation drawings are not a part of your backsplash. It is not provided. And the marble contrast is assumed for common areas. That's the assumptions we did. And then over here, if you hover on it, you can see the length. Actually, that is not the length, that's the perimeter and the area of that drawing or the takeoff. Once you check all those drawings, you can go back to the takeoff screen and you can click on any drawing, one which is in hyperlink, and it opens up drawings. You see on the top, it can open up multiple pages one by one so that you can review them all at once. And also you see this green button, you can click on it. It is the call out page. You don't have to navigate around different columns. You can just zoom in and zoom out right from there. Once your questions are answered, you can close it. It also does an OCR by itself. The system does it. So you don't have to worry about the page numbers at all. You can jump into any page number from right from here. You can just 8221, click on enter. You can go into that page number directly. And you can hover on it. You can see the square feet of anything right there. Right on any screen, you can click on comment section. It will show you all the comments, what have been commented over here. We can mention each other's name right from here and then write the comment so that it will show you that in this particular page, there was a comment added. And then when you click on that page number, it will take you to that right page and it will even show you the comment. So that is the good part about it. You will even get a notification that somebody has sent you a comment right in your inbox, just like this. See that? And you can click on it and it will take you right to that comment section of that page. And then once you take a look at everything, you can even use this search. Say you're looking for bath areas. You can do the search, or you can do stone, marble, and you can do a search and you can take a look at where all they are all located, right? And then you can click on estimate. You can collapse all and you can take a look at how many units are there by the unit number. You can expand all and take a look at all the items. You can click on any blue link and it will exactly take you to that blue link and hyperlink and show you that what has been done on the drawing by just showing that takeoff instead of showing everything. And here is where your quantities are. Your unit measure is number of units, total unit of measures, cost per unit. If you have the cost, you can have that. You can have the markup, you can have the sell prices. If you have labor productivities, how much time it takes to install a particular item, you can update that. And you can even find the total hours to do that item. That is, you can look at it later. I also mentioned you that you can save different snapshots of anything. See, I have updated some of them to 30%. So you can see that snapshot of that. In order to take a snapshot, you just need to click on save as. It takes the snapshot for you instead of save. If you save it, it saves on top of it. Save as is, right? It creates another new snapshot of anything happened. use filters as much as you can, and that you can narrow down anything you want. Let's say I'm looking for A4. You can use that filter and you can see only the A4 items. And also you can group it any way you like it, by the assembly, by the unit type, by the unit of measure, the way you want to group it. The grouping happens. What you select first will be the first, what you select second will be the second group, and what you select third will be the third group. And then you select fourth, it will be the fourth group. So that's how the grouping happens. Once you do all that, that's it. Insert a legend. Here is our legend. You can just take it, draw a line, and it will show you how much takeoff has been done on this particular drawing. So you can use that as well. There are so many options. Try to take a look at these and ask me questions if you have any. Scale is what is used on the scale. You can switch to any scale you want, but we have already done that for you, so you don't have to worry about that. So in order to do an takeoff, you have to make sure that you are picking one of the assemblies, adding the takeoff, giving a takeoff name, and then either picking a linear measure or area measure. So then only you can draw a takeoff on this drawing. Without selecting this, you cannot directly go to do takeoffs by just simply selecting this. So just remember that. So it says that you have to select an assembly and click on add takeoff. In that way, you are picking what you exactly want and drawing a line. You can go back to the plan section. I already told you what these activities are. You can click on this previous preview button and you can actually see all the drawing sets right there. In that way, it is very easy for you to navigate. Right from here, if you want to click on and go to anything, you can click on that and you can go over there. All this, you can close them or you can keep them open in order for you to navigate around these drawings. What my recommendation is, take a look at all of these, open up one by one like this, and you can look at all of them together. Straightforward. Let me know if you got any other further questions here. Feel free to reach out to me on Teams or on email. We'll be happy to respond to you. Thank you.